Mr. Jagan, her son. We want to listen to her son's testimonial. சொல்லுங்க மிஸ்டர் ஜெகன், அம்மா எப்படி இருக்கா?
Actually, my mother is 67 years old. So we are actually basically from Madurai. So we have gone through Amma having the knee pain. One of the left knee pain is there almost 10 years. So he is suffering a lot of pain, but still she can manage. But we decided anyway we have to go for knee replacement treatment. But we suggested actually we doing for Ayurvedic treatment for last 5-6 years. So we go for 10 days, 15 days, and we stay back, and we will come after. And then like that every year we go for 15 days time. But still she not recovered completely. So we went a couple of famous hospital in Chennai, especially in orthopedic hospital. We went there. They suggested that you got to go to the knee replacement treatment. So then after that mother will be there next 10-15 years. But next 3 months she has to take care of it. So knee replacement, we in our family, couple of my auntie and my neighbors also done, but they are not success as of now, because after treatment operation they have struggled a lot of so we don't want that operation kind of thing. This is a simple we can do it in OP itself. It's called as PRS. This is the latest technology is introduced in India. So as Mr. Venkatachalam doctor is a very specialist in this treatment in Chennai. So if you search it in Google also will come to know. So and it's very economical also, the second one. So nowadays the PRS treatment is replacement of operations in allopathy. So I suggested that instead of going knee replacement, you can go for the PRS. If PRS is not success, I am sure it is successful next 10 years. And parallelly, once the PRS is completed, you can do for Ayurvedic. It will be natural treatment is come instead of artificial treatment. So better is suggested for the PRS. So in future is for knee replacement is instead of knee replacement, PRS is the future.
Right. Today your mother is all right.
Yeah, mother is all right. Even we come from call taxi, she can able to come out from the taxi, and she can do it she herself without our support. She just come out from the taxi. So there is no any issues. So all right, my mother, and thank you for Mr. Venkatachalam sir. So this treatment and very faster and decision. We came for 6 months before. I think August month we came. Sir suggested anytime you can suggest. So we, as per our available sir appointment, we done it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you then. Bye.
Thank you, sir.